my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to on To me, this isn't Thanksgiving without some good old cranberry sauce. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some cranberry sauce from scratch. It's going to be so delicious, full of cranberry and orange flavors. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And once you taste this cranberry sauce, my friends, you'll never ever want to buy it from the can again. So grab your cranberries, your cranberry juice, and your orange juice sugar, because we're about to cook some cranberry sauce magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over high heat. I added 1 cup of cranberry juice. And we're going to add 1 cup of white sugar, the juice of a large orange, and the zest of a large orange. Going to give that a quick stir. And all we do is let the sugar dissolve. Alright my friends, the sugar and the cranberry juice has dissolved. So next we're going to add a 1 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries that I washed. Going to give that a quick stir. And we're going to let the cranberries cook for 10 minutes. Alright my friends, this is what the cranberries look like after 10 minutes. Nice and soft. Alright, that looks great. And I removed it off the fire and off the stove. So for our final ingredient, we're going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of orange extract. And we're going to stir this in. Alright, so all we do now is let our cranberry sauce cool completely. Alright my friends, there you have it. And that's how easy it is to make cranberry sauce. And you made it completely from scratch. Doesn't that look good? Now garnish it with some orange zest on top. Alright, let's give this a taste. Here we go. Good Lord Almighty. My friends, this is the bomb.com. I can taste the orange. Orange and cranberry goes well together. I love the little chunks of cranberries. If y'all a fan of cranberry sauce, please make this recipe. Everybody would love this. Get you some turkey and some dressing. Oh yeah. Cranberry sauce delicious. Well, my friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed the video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and happy Thanksgiving.